Dyson V15 Detect. Well, those are everything in the box. 3 motorized brush heads, 3 crevice, the extension rod, the charger, and the charging dock for wall mounting. Cyclones for dust separation. And I really like this push action to empty the dustbin as it clings here every single time. It's rubbing against this metal mesh material. That's the intake. There are plenty of nice design details, such as this curved edge, the replaceable battery pack. Depress this trigger to remove the battery easily. No screws required. This is the single filter. Filter not installed, not sealed. There's an animation as a guided step to fix it. All right, install it. Medium, eco, and boost. The dust level is displayed on the screen, 27 minutes and 31 seconds remaining. So there's a runtime displayed on the screen. This is the universal connection to get the attachments installed. All kinds of crevice. This is the soft head brush head designed for hardwood flooring. It also features a toggle for the laser detection. Let's try that. I'll turn off my light. Yeah, it covers a large area. Can be turned off as well. Okay, so that's the brush head for the hardwood flooring. This is the anti-tangle comb built in here. There's a series of comb design in there. It's great for long hair or pet hair. But it does not, it is motorized, but it does not have the laser. And this one is very interesting. It's new. It's this cone-shaped brush, which is also tangle-free, anti-tangle screw, designed for cleaning pet hair or pet beds. This is a longer extension rod for cleaning the floor. Now coming back here, this charger is rated at, let's see, 30.45 volts, 1.1 amp. When it's plugged in, it's barely consuming any electricity or not noticeable. So it is okay to leave it always connected to the wall power. The charging input is built into the battery. So even when the battery is removed from the unit, it can still charge. This cord can be installed in the dock, recharging at 31.3 watts. I think it is a 30 watts charger. Now let's take a look at the dock. When the machine is being recharged, it displays on the screen 30%. So came 30% charged. 2-inch screws, maybe 2.5-inch screws, and a drywall anchor is included for easy mounting on the wall. We can use this plate as a drilling plate to drill 2 holes, and it is a horizontal one and a vertical one, so the plate can be slightly adjusted. Can be leveled first, then drill down here. Stud is preferred. If there are no studs behind the drywall. Drywall anchor has to be used to increase the loading capacity or strength. A two-free assembly is required for this part. Can be lifted to expose these two holes. Let's install the wire, the charging wire. There's a little door opening. Then secure this charging head down there and close it up. There you go. Then we can easily dock the Dyson main unit in, and it's a perfect fit or mode for that charging input. Like so. So the cable will not be pulled off. Okay, it's pretty secure. When it's charging, there is a blue indicator, LED light, slowly blinking. Two organizers. Oh, by the way, these nozzles are organized by the little clear plastic. I think it can be installed here. These are great. This is a great holder for for keeping these two nozzles stored in there, but it's not suitable for larger brush heads. Maybe it's okay for this longer one, like so. Yeah, this one can be used here, as it features the soft padded material. It's not going to scratch up the surface. I think it's good for this kind of storage. This is ideal for this application, right? Yes. Then, although it will make the machine a slightly heavier, but it's gonna be a great way to store those accessories and quickly swap out the brush head. For example, like this. This one is not appropriate, as it may block that part. I like this machine a lot. It looks like a wonderful piece of engineering. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. Hope you find this review helpful. It is still charging at 31.5 watts, so 30 watts constant input.